Hey guys, so we're doing another rewatch today. We're rewatching last night's 3v3. What we currently have pulled up, we'll start with Taylor. So we've got Taylor over here. He's got 70 food, 40 and 58. Looks like he's getting more trade going even as we speak, so he's doing pretty good. Then we've got Spencer. Taylor, by the way, was the what was he? So Taylor was the Spanish, Spencer was the Teutons, and he's got 70, 65, and 50. So really strong economies. And then Joel as the Portuguese. Let's see what Joel's got going on. Joel's got 42, 24, and 26. So, respectable numbers. On the other side, we've got Alex matched up against Joel. Alex has 50 and 31 and 19. There's his base. Then we've got Red. We've got Chase. So Chase is the Spanish. He's got 40, 30, and 21. And then myself, let's see if I can find me. And I've got 54, 34, and 75. A lot of gold. And I am what am I? Gosh dang it. Oh, I'm the Vikings, right? So, as we look at this map, you'll see if you look down here. So this is called Twin Rivers. We've got my base, Chase's base, and Alex's base. Then there's this big, long, no-manned land here in the middle. And we decided that at the gentleman's agreement would be that you don't build on this middle section until after treaty drop. So we see Taylor is walling off. He's walling off the whole side. That's interesting. Not a bad idea, actually. I like it. Treaty's going to drop in about a minute. Then we've got, Taylor's whole economy going. Kind of interesting. Got lots of stuff going on. So let's see here. I'm going to watch Taylor because Taylor and Spencer are going to win this game. And it's going to be very entertaining. Joel's going to do some good stuff. I'm interested to see how Joel did because I wasn't able to watch Joel play at all. I was totally in on my side. But, when you don't have an answer for Spencer, you don't have an answer for Spencer. So there's that. All right, we're going to just pick it up a little bit because I'm ready for some work. So treaty has dropped. You see that I've walled off. We've got buildings going up over here. This is our first time ever playing this map, so we're figuring it out. Taylor's putting in a gate. We decided that we like gates again, where, they come and go. No one has started messing with the no man's land yet. I don't know what we're waiting on. I think I was waiting on troops, if I remember. Yeah, I'm just building these and just unsure really how to go. We're trying to defend the water a little bit. I really should have gone all the way over here. That's going to be big in the game. But, I was watching this thing. Over on the other side. See here, what's Taylor doing? Oh, that's just his scout. So, I'll see what happens here. Over here, nothing's happening. We're just all sitting here playing with our dicks. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so Alex is finally going. And he's building barrackses. And Taylor's building a castle, a couple of stables. See here, he's very rich. He can afford it. Building another castle up here. So he's got 2 forward castles. Building the stuff. I'm fighting him already. See that? Puts him in there. We're just trying to fight. On the other side, Alex is going at Joel. And Joel's got stuff ready to fight with. On the other side, Taylor's castles are getting put up. And here goes Alex into Joel's base. Into their trade even. Stop. Just stop right there. Okay, well, whatever. It doesn't really stop their trade at all, but it's something. And on the other side, Taylor's fighting me. I'm building a forward base. We're trying to take out that castle. We see that Taylor is going to come over here. He's going to dig in over here and then dig in over there. He's trying to fight off my archers. I really needed to have some boats just patrolling over here, but I didn't. Can't win them all, guys. Can't win them all. Faderies are going. Alex is going in. Again, now Chase is showing up. Got this one hole, and this guy's just chilling here. Yeah, you gotta finish that thing right there, buddy. Whatever. And Joel's starting to build the troops, the anti-infantry troops. That's one thing that the Portuguese are very good at. And I've got all of these guys. It's a great time. Taylor does a very good job of not staying still. You know, he's spawning troops and moving forward and claiming land. And good for him. You know, very respectable. Let me see, he's got all of these going on. Got those going in on the other side. Got Alex building more. Chase trying to plunge. Yeah, just plunge those guys. Just keep them going in. Keep them going in. Yeah. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Huh? They stop. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. No, not enough. What's going on with Alex's economy? This is one thing I don't know. I don't really like sitting on resources if I can spend them and have military. Maybe I'm missing something, but I would rather just have a flow of troops and try and overrun people. But Spencer is shown up now, and those Teutonic Knights mixed with the organ guns is like so anti-goth, it's insane. And I'm holding really well against Taylor, but it's not going to do anything. We're taking those out. They had... Okay. Trying to take things over. The other side, yep, Spencer's shown up. All of his guys are just chilling there. Right, Chase is showing up over here. And Taylor is crossed and is building on my side. So Taylor's really highly active with his builders. He's able to maintain a front while also building, which is something that I was not able to do. You know, and I think that that's the difference of the game right there. Meanwhile, over here, we see Spencer has pushed forward into Chase and Alex, mostly Chase. But, like, we're looking at Alex's economy. I'm not seeing any military. Oh, okay, there comes the military. Oh, alright, good. So, there we go. Come on. Do. And we see Taylor has now pushed over to here. He's got his house. We've got Spencer showing up. Taylor, way to just keep that pressure, man. Now they're building another castle. There's a lot of stone on this map. There's a lot of stone on it. It's all over the place. On the other side, they're kind of pushing forward. Chase is doing another plunge. Oh, gosh dang it. Come on, Chase. Yeah. He got like 3 in. they all died. It's a good effort, buddy. I see that Spencer's starting to build bombard cannons, which are going to just eat up my ships. Looks like it. What's going on with Spencer's pop? So Spencer's just chilling at pop cap. He's got bombards building and Teutonic Knights. And Spencer and Taylor just flexing on me at this point. And Chase is doing another plunge. You're just running around. Like, come on, guys. Do something. And I don't know what Alex is up to, but there he comes. But it doesn't really matter because on the other side, I've now lost the water and I've lost my forward base. And Taylor is wiping out Chase's forward stuff. You know. What does Taylor's economy look like? So Taylor's deleted all of his wood choppers. Obviously, at this point, he doesn't feel that they're that valuable anymore. Oh, I guess he has 27 idle. So I wonder if... Oh, these guys are all idle. Okay. Either way, at this point, the Chase has fallen and I've fallen. And I'm at this point, I'm like, well, game's over, guys. So we'll fast forward this because at this point, Taylor won it. Taylor beat me out. Taylor and Spencer both did. But you can see they just come up and just wreck everything and do the pillage thing. Good for them. Congratulations on the win, boys. So that was this round of AoE. And at this point, the game is over. So I'm going to just call it because I don't want like watching Alex just play forever. So I'm going to look at the stats. Because this is actually when the game was over. It was right here. So Taylor had the best military. Spencer had the best economy. Technology was also Taylor. And Spencer had the best society. So Taylor and Spencer just steamrolled everyone that game. Let's see, we look at those. Joel has the best KD. Holy cow. Look at that. It's insane. Taylor raises the most buildings. Shocker. Alex and Chase and myself all have very low KDs. Not good. Like, good for those guys. They played well. Yeah, can't wait for next time. That was kind of a fun map. Some of the stuff that really stood out. Also, I was flying, might I add. Kind of getting this whole multiple town center thing down a little bit, I feel like. But I don't know. Just wait till Travis plays and he just kicks my butt on all of those. Mr. Relic over here, 9 castles. Wow. A lot of castles. Good for him. So, GG last night. Can't wait to do another one. Ginger out.